right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So back today pulling the fire alarm wire down the hallway. My apprentice was still gone, so I worked with the other journeyman because his journeyman was gone, because there's two journeymen working together as a duo. So the other journeyman was gone, so I was working with the other journeyman, so it was just us two journeymen today. So anyways, pulled the fire alarm wire to this closet right here. Finally, everything is plenty long now. Got it to this closet, jumped across the hallway, worked down the left side of the hallway in the containment cart. That's why I showed you that in the beginning of the video. I was in that pretty much all day. Well, at least the first like 6 hours of the day. Continued down the left side of the hallway. It was already down pretty much to this corner. I'll show you here in a second. We already got it down there. I think it was like Tuesday. I don't even know what day it is. Actually, it was Monday, I think. So we got the wire down to right about in here somewhere. Right about in here, but right before we go into these doors into the linen room. So basically, I had to pull off like 140 feet to go across the linen room and to leave some extra to go into the following room, which is the place where we're working, where we had to get the wire to. So we pulled the wire from the closet down the hallway, across the linen room, and then into this room right here, as you'll see here in a second. So we have to go across the ceiling, through some pipes, and then I'll have to pipe some new stuff on the ceiling. So I probably needed about 50 to 70 feet. I accidentally pulled like an extra 20, so I probably have like 90 feet sitting in here. Anyways, I started framing this wall. As you can see, all my lights are still down from like last week. And then opened up this fire alarm right here, and then did a little bushing, and then put all the extra wire outside for the future. When we pipe that and we're ready to go and use that wire, it'll be ready to go. The rest of the day, we basically just ripped out this panel that they shut down a couple days ago. I think it was yesterday. Steven and the other two journeymen came in at like 4:30 in the morning, turned off the power and refed this panel because it's getting taken out. So we took that out. Everything was already locked out and dead. I put my lock on it. Basically just sawzalled all the pipes off, and then the strut, and then just unscrewed the panel, and then just lifted it out of the wall. As you can see right here, the back of the wall right here, everything is just cut. All the wires basically taken out. I'll have to work on that tomorrow, put some boxes on the end of those. All right, everybody, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Thanks everyone who participated in the giveaway. Congrats, Ben, on winning. And on to the next one, on to 17,000. I will see you guys there again for another giveaway. But until then, I will see you tomorrow. Peace.